Hi, this is Miss Hepworth, and this is NTI Day 7. Today we're actually starting some information that is new content. So during my Google Meet today at 11:15, I will be kind of introducing the new content. But as you can tell by the name of the article, it's called The Cells That Make Us. So essentially we're going to be talking about the basic unit of life, the cell. So what you need to do for this one is just read the article and answer the questions. Be sure to read very closely. Some of the questions you're really going to have to tease out when trying to answer. I believe there are 10 questions, okay? Some of them are multiple choice, and then some of them are short answer. Please make sure you are using complete sentences when answering the questions. You will have a Google form to fill out. That should also be included in the folder. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach me via email, Google Hangouts, or join in on the Google Meet. Hopefully you guys have a good day. I'll catch you later. Bye.